One of the most important types of testing that one should do when performing testing of an application is security testing. And one part of security testing is checking if there are any obsolete libraries, if there are any older versions of libraries which are unsecure on the website. And one way to do this check, is by using a Chrome extension, retire.js. So I have this site here, which is one of the worst sites ever, marked at least by Google. And if I open retire.js, it shows me that it has found an older version of jQuery. So it also shows me what can happen, also what's the vulnerability. And as a QA or as a tester, you should then report this back to the development team and have them update the jQuery to the latest version or a more up-to-date version. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any other Chrome extensions or any other extensions that you want me to have a look at, write in the comments. See you in the next one.